Claiming your labor, reclaiming the Republic. The process centers on reclaiming labor value held under constructive contracts and fictional persons. The core documents include IRS Form 926, its instructions, a non-UCC filing, and related definitions distinguishing a living Republic citizen from a corporate fiction. Form 926 serves as the transfer instrument. The Social Security associated person acts as the transferor. The 98 Series IN, obtained directly from the IRS by the living individual, acts as the transferee. Attach a copy of the non-UCC filing to the 926 form. The form references a 10% processing amount, interpreted here as a required settlement mechanism. Submit copies of the completed 926 form, the non-UCC, and a cover letter to multiple locations. State Department of Labor, Federal Department of Labor, Local/Regional IRS Office, Philadelphia IRS Office, AIC Office, if applicable trustees, optional bankruptcy judge or chief judge of the federal district, optional, for notice. The objective is to order the release of labor credits from Department of Labor held construction/performance/payment bond accounts to settle obligations. Labor constitutes lawful payment, no debt remains when labor is applied. Refusal to process constitutes a UCC violation. Sign documents as the living agent for the principal, fictional person. Example format, living name, agent for, all caps principal name. The principal remains the liable party. The agent does not assume liability. Key principles. The living individual holds superior position over corporate fictions. Non-statutory, non-UCC, Roman Republic-based, claims take precedence over statutory claims. Labor belongs to the living, it cannot be taxed or encumbered as debt. Public solicitors, bar attorneys, certain officials, operate under solicitation, which is unlawful. Courts function as Republic courthouses, not foreign banking or solicitation venues. Additional steps for full standing. Retain baptismal certificate and live birth evidence privately, in personal Bible as official record. Use the standard American flag, red, white, blue, 50 stars, 13 stripes, to signify Republic protection. Remove commercial advertisements from vehicles, marked not for hire and no solicitation. Return driver's license, license plates, and certificates of title while claiming associated labor value. The process restores assets to the de jure treasury, Philadelphia, positions the individual as grantor bailor, and supports restoration of public servants to Republic service using released labor credits. Full faith and credit flows from the labor of the people. Read posted definitions and instructions carefully. Follow the established format until proven incorrect.